Hey everyone, I'm Chelsea Penner, the crypto goddess, and I'm with precious metals expert Warner Dana.
Hey, how's it going, everybody out there in TV land?
What makes you a precious metals expert?
Well, basically, I've worked for several companies that have basically sold and bought precious metals, anywhere from silver bullion, gold bullion, platinum bars, palladium. Worked for the company for about 4 or 5 years. Recession came, everything basically took off, went through the roof. Some of the silver products we sold went up 400%, gold went up about 300% during that time. So, you know, as recessions come, economic cycles, it affects the price of metals, usually go up. I know we're in a bull market for the stock market, but I feel that in the next 6 to 12 months, we'll head into a serious recession, which will drive the stock market lower, and precious metal prices will go up a lot higher.
So what all did you do as an expert? Did you do any speeches?
I did a lot of TV, radio. We did like a TV series that was on Time Warner Television at the time. Radio, we did a bunch of seminars around the country for the company. People would come out. We do different educational events for gold and silver for the company at that time. People, if they wanted to help market the products with us, the company would basically give them a commission for referring business to our company, which is something we'll talk about. If you guys are interested, get in touch with us about that.
So why is it important to purchase precious metals?
Well, the importance of purchasing precious metals are mostly because there's a finite supply. That's why they're called precious metals. And also, they're a hedge to inflation, to the dollar. They protect your stock portfolio. If your basically stock portfolio is up and it basically goes down, precious metals usually rally to the upside. So it's basically just insurance to your money.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, good. And then tell us again why someone should stack precious metals.
Oh, well, I mean, the more you have, the better. You know, all the banks are pretty much doing it, all the wealthy people, ever since the beginning of time, ever since the Bible, Rome, Babylon, all the kings and queens would basically buy gold and silver. And that was how they basically accounted for their wealth. The paper money was just to hold in reserve for the gold that they had or the silver they had on their vaults to basically back their actual net worth. Their net worth was never backed in Federal Reserve notes. It was always in gold and silver.
So the smart people and the rich people are doing it, so we should too.
Yeah, the smart people are buying gold and silver, and people that don't understand it just don't understand money. It's okay. I mean, if you look it up in the dictionary, Black's Law Dictionary will say the only money is coin, gold, silver, and then, you know, Bitcoin as well, which our company will basically pay you in Bitcoin if you do refer anybody to the company. So if you guys are interested in either buying gold and silver and saving it, or you're interested in doing a business that involves gold and silver as well as Bitcoin, which you guys know is finite supply, just like gold and silver, you guys can get in touch with us and we'll basically send you that information of that company, which we'll say at the end of the video.
Thank you very much for helping us. And that's right. We're in a business called Mintbuilder, and it makes it very easy for you to stack your precious metals. They'll auto ship you gold and silver. And then if you do decide to refer other people, they pay you out in Bitcoin. So it's the ultimate trifecta.
Yeah, it's a great company. They've been around for a couple of years now. They've been involved with several other companies that are in the space. They're going to basically ship you whatever metals you order. They're not going to basically be a certificate. They're going to ship it directly to your house. It'll come to your physical location. You can hold it, store it, put it in a vault. I recommend not putting it in the bank because, I mean, not to say I don't trust the bank, but if you're going to buy precious metals, it's physical. It's better to you to hold it yourself, or you can maybe put it in a storage. Just get like a small storage, safe deposit box, something like that, and protect it there, and maybe get some insurance if you want to insure it.
Great. I agree. Well, like you said, get in touch with us if you're interested. I'll have a link, and please write me a message, ask any questions, feel free. Thanks so much for watching.
Yep, and in closing, just know that precious metals are basically always going to go higher. And then also take into consideration that the government is suppressing the price of metals, just like they're suppressing the price of Bitcoin right now with the futures contracts. So gold and silver is going to go to the moon, as well as cryptocurrency. So with our company, you'll be able to basically acquire both. So whatever happens to our economy in the near future, which more than likely we're going to head into a recession with Donald Trump at the White House, you're going to basically do a lot better with gold and silver and precious metals and Bitcoin. So get in touch with Chelsea Penner. She's going to help you guys get started with Mintbuilder. You guys can join the team, get some precious metals, and refer some friends and family that are interested in saving in gold and silver.
Great.
Right?
And cheers to a successful future.
Yep.